Here we will have to find out square of a trinomial. Trinomial, if it is x plus y plus z, then square of this, it will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz or zx, whatever. Okay. Let us do the first question. What is given? First one is 1 Roman 1. Expand a plus 2b plus 5c whole square. So if we consider a as x, 2b as y and 5c as z, then put the values in this expression. So it will be first one square, that is a square, then second one square 2b whole square, then third one square 5c whole square, then 2 into first one, that is a, into second one, that is 2b, plus 2 into second and third 2b into 5c, plus 2 into first one and last one 2 into a into 5c. So it will be a square plus 4b square plus 25c square plus 2 2s are 4, 4ab plus 2 2s are 4 into 5, 20bc plus 10, 5 into 2, 10 ac. This is your expansion. Next one is 1 Roman 3. A minus 2b minus 3c. We can rewrite this one as a plus of minus 2b plus of minus 3c whole square. Again use this formula. Here x is a, y is minus 2b and z is minus 3c. So x square is a square plus minus 2b whole square plus minus 3c whole square. Okay, plus 2 into first one and second one, 2 into a into minus 2b plus 2 into second and third minus 2b into minus 3c plus 2 into first and last a into minus 3c. It is a square, minus whole square is plus, so it will be 4b square, it will be 9c square. Now here plus into minus, minus 2 into 2 4, 4ab, minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 12, so 12bc. Here it is plus into minus, minus 3 into c, 3 into 2 6, 6ac. Okay, in question number 3, you have to factorize this one. That means this portion is given, you have to write it like this. First of all, observe the whole expression. First one positive, second one positive, third one positive, which are already positive here. Fourth one is also positive. Look, this is the product of the first term, first two terms. This is positive. So the first two terms must be of same sign. This is the product of the second two terms. This is negative. So either of the second two term will be negative. Again, look at the third term. This is the product of the first and the second term. First and the last term, sorry. The last one is the first and last term product. So this is also negative. So you can observe that these two are same sign. That is, these two are plus, and if this is minus, then z is present here, so further this is minus, z is also present here, further this is minus. So we will consider this one like this: 4x square equal to 2x whole square, 9y square equal to 3y whole square, and 16z equal to minus 4z whole square, plus 2 into first two terms, that is 2x into 3y, check 2 into 3 4, 4 into 3 12, xy, it is matching with this one. Next, plus second and third, 2 into 3y into minus 4z. Check 2, 3, 6, 6, 4, 24, plus minus minus, so minus 24 yz. It's matching. Last one, plus 2 into first term 2x into last term minus 4z. Check plus into minus, 2 to the 4, 4 4 16, 16x. So this expression and this expression, they are identical, but we can compare the last line with this part. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, that is x plus y plus z whole square. So here this is x, this is y, this is z. So it will be 2x plus 3y plus minus 4z whole square. That is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Okay. That's all for today.